This is the signature tune of the palace of Akko Emirate, a traditional rhythm depicting royalty, power, and influence. This signature tune is strictly reserved for emirs and kings in northern Nigeria.
Ita ganga da alligator a masarauta ita take ɗaukaka sarautar. Duk abin da ake idan muna wurin kamar an sa miya a gishiri ne.
Horses are an integral part of these traditional institutions. The majestic animal not only reflects the exclusive status of royalty, but also symbolizes the power of the monarchy.
During the jihad of Usman and Fodio, our people played